Hey there, adventure seekers. If you're a Jamaican eager to explore Africa without the visa hassle, you're in for a treat. Join me on an exciting journey as we unveil 10 African countries Jamaicans can visit without a visa. From Kenya's stunning safaris to Morocco's vibrant culture, we'll dive into the diverse landscapes, wildlife, and rich traditions of these incredible destinations. So pack your bags, my fellow Jamaicans, and let's embark on this visa-free African adventure together. Just to let you know that some of the names of these places will be butchered. I'll put the spelling on screen however, so feel free to correct me in the comments below. Number 10. Zambia. Zambia is a country that is famous for its natural wonders, such as the Victoria Falls, the Zambezi River, and the Lake Kariba. You can see one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world, which is also one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. You can also enjoy various activities on the Zambezi River, such as rafting, kayaking, fishing, and cruising. You can also visit the Lake Kariba, which is the world's largest man-made lake and reservoir by volume, and see wildlife, birds, and islands. Zambia also has some of the best wildlife parks and reserves in Africa, such as the South Luangwa National Park, the Kafue National Park, and the Lower Zambezi National Park. You can see elephants, lions, leopards, buffaloes, hippos, crocodiles, and more. Zambia also has a rich cultural and historical heritage, which influences from the Bantu, British, and Portuguese people. You can visit the capital city of Lusaka, which is a modern and vibrant metropolis, and see the landmarks such as the Freedom Statue, the Cathedral of the Holy Cross, and the Lusaka National Museum.
On a sunny day in Lusaka, a visit to the Freedom Statue.
You can also visit the Livingstone town, which is a historical and colonial town, and see the monuments such as the Livingstone Museum, the David Livingstone statue, and the Victoria. You can also visit the Volcanoes National Park, which is one of the best places to see the endangered mountain gorillas, as well as golden monkeys, buffaloes, and birds. You can also visit the Yungwe National Park, which is one of the largest and oldest rainforests in Africa, and see chimpanzees, colobus monkeys, and butterflies. Jamaicans can visit Rwanda for up to 30 days without a visa. Number 7. Namibia. Namibia is a country that will amaze you with its diverse and dramatic landscapes, such as the Namib Desert, the Skeleton Coast, the Fish River Canyon, and the Etosha National Park. You can see some of the most spectacular scenery and wildlife in Africa, such as the sand dunes, the shipwrecks, the waterfalls, and the salt ponds. You can also see elephants, rhinos, giraffes, cheetahs, lions, and more. Namibia also has a rich cultural and historical heritage, with influences from the German, Afrikaans, and indigenous people. You can also visit the colonial towns of Swakopmund, Luderitz, and Windhoek, and see the architecture, museums, and monuments. You can also visit the Imba, Herero, and Damara people, and learn about their traditions, costumes, and crafts. Jamaicans can visit Namibia for up to 90 days without a visa. Number 6. Botswana. Botswana is a country that is famous for its pristine and untouched nature, as it has one of the lowest population densities in the world. You can visit the Okavango Delta, which is one of the largest and most unique wetlands in the world, where you can see elephants, hippos, crocodiles, buffaloes, and birds. You can also visit the Chobe National Park, which has the largest concentration of elephants in Africa, as well as lions, leopards, hyenas, and antelopes. You can also visit this place, which is spelling is on screen, which are the largest salt flats in the world, where you can see zebras, wildebeests, flamingos, and meerkats. You can also visit the Kalahari Desert, which is home to the San people, who are the oldest inhabitants of Africa. You can learn about their culture, language, and survival skills. Jamaicans can visit Botswana for up to 90 days without a visa. Number 5. South Africa. South Africa is a country that has something for everyone, as it is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and landscapes. You can visit the cosmopolitan cities of Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Durban, and see the landmarks, museum, and art galleries. You can also visit the iconic Table Mountain, the Cape of Good Hope, and the Robben Island. South Africa also has some of the best wildlife parks and reserves in Africa, such as the Kruger National Park, the Addo Elephant National Park, and the Ulwe Imfolozi Park. May I put the spelling on screen, guys? You can see the big 5 animals as well as penguins, whales, dolphins, and sharks. South Africa also has a stunning coastline with beaches, cliffs, and lagoons. You can also enjoy the diverse and delicious South African food, such as braai, why them spelling a stay so? Such as braai, boboti, bunny chow, and biltong. Jamaicans can visit South Africa for up to 90 days without a visa. Number 4. Morocco. Morocco is a country that will enchant you with its colorful and diverse culture, architecture, and cuisine. You can explore the ancient cities of Marrakech, Fez, Casablanca, and Rabat. You see the mosques, palaces, souks, and medinas. You can also experience the Berber culture and lifestyle in the Atlas Mountains, where you can hike, bike, or ride a camel. You can also visit the Sahara Desert, where you can camp under the stars, sandboard, or quad bike. Morocco also has a beautiful coastline, with beaches, surf spots, and fishing villages. You can also enjoy the delicious Moroccan food, such as couscous, tagine, irara, and mint tea. Jamaicans can visit Morocco for up to 90 days without a visa. Number 3. Tanzania. Tanzania is another dream destination for wildlife enthusiasts, as it is home to the Serengeti National Park, the Ngorongoro Crater, and the Selous Game Reserve. These are some of the largest and most pristine wildlife areas in the world, where you can see millions of animals, including lions, leopards, cheetahs, rhinos, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and more. Tanzania also has a stunning coastline, with the exotic islands of Zanzibar, Pemba, and Mafia. These are ideal places to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea, and to experience the Swahili culture and the cuisine. You can also visit the spice plantations, the Stone Town, and the Ozani Forest. Tanzania also has the highest mountain in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro, which is a challenge for adventurous travelers. Jamaicans can visit Tanzania for up to 90 days without a visa. Number 2. Ghana. Ghana is a country that has a special connection with Jamaica, as many Jamaicans trace their ancestry back to this West African nation. Ghana is known for its friendly and hospitable people who will make you feel at home. You can visit the historical sites and monuments that tell the story of the slave trade, such as the Cape Coast Castle, the Elmina Castle, and the Asin Manso Slave River. You can also experience the vibrant culture and arts of Ghana, such as the Kente cloth, the Adinkra symbols, the highlife music, and the Akwaba dance. Ghana also has a diverse natural beauty, with lush rainforests, waterfalls, mountains, and wildlife parks. You can see elephants, monkeys, crocodiles, and birds at the Mole National Park, the Kakum National Park, and the Paga Crocodile Pond. Jamaicans can visit Ghana for up to 30 days without a visa. Number 1. Kenya. Kenya is one of the most popular destinations for safari lovers, as it boasts some of the best national parks and reserves in Africa. You can witness the great wildebeest migration, spot the big 5 animals, and admire the stunning scenery of the Masai Mara, Amboseli, and Lake Nakuru. Kenya also has a rich cultural heritage with over 40 ethnic groups and languages. You can learn about the traditions and lifestyles of the Maasai, Samburu, and the Swahili people, and enjoy their music, dance, and cuisine. Kenya also offers some of the best beaches in Africa along the Indian Ocean coast. You can relax on the white sand, swim in the turquoise water, and explore the coral reefs and marine life. Jamaicans can visit Kenya for up to 90 days without a visa. And that's a wrap on our visa-free African adventure. If you're ready to dive deeper into the wonders of these incredible countries, check out the Zambia Tourism and the Zambia Travel websites. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and have an amazing day. Thank you for watching.